Namaskar. Welcome to Hanska Academy. Thank you very much for all your subscriptions. Please consider subscription if you have not done yet. Who wanted revolution? Who wanted revolution and why? Why did people want revolution during that particular time? And who wanted the revolution? What was the reason for that? That is the topic what we are going to discuss now. Nationalists, liberals, and radicals. Who wanted the revolution and why? Some nationalists, liberals, and radicals wanted the revolution. Who wanted the revolution? The nationalists, the liberals, the radicals wanted the revolution. Why? To put an end to the kind of governments that have come. After 1815, when Napoleon was defeated, they did not consider the sentiments of people and they have divided them. That is the reason why the liberals, the radicals, the nationalists want an end to the governments. So it can be brought only through revolution, which they have seen in the French Revolution. So like that, they want to bring changes. What else? In France, Italy, Germany, and Russia, they became revolutionaries and worked to overthrow existing monarchs. That's the reason. They want to create nations which all citizens would have equal rights. They want to create the nations where all citizens will have equal rights. After 1815, Giuseppe Mazzini, an Italian nationalist, conspired with others to achieve this in Italy. So who wanted the revolution? The revolution was intended by nationalists, liberals, radicals. Why? Because they want to put an end to the kind of governments that are ruling in their country, which are established after 1815. After the defeat of Napoleon, they distributed according to their convenience and relations among the group which led against Napoleon. That is called the Congress of Vienna session. So in France, Italy, Germany, and Russia, people worked to overthrow the existing monarchs. They want to create nations where all citizens would have equal rights. After 1815, because by this time they saw the experience of French Revolution, so they were inspired by that. So Giuseppe Mazzini, an Italian nationalist, conspired with others to achieve this in Italy. So like this, people are unhappy with the rulers who were installed in 1815. That's why they want to bring revolutions. They want to overthrow the existing government. They want to have a nation where all are free and equal citizens. That's why they wanted revolution. So in this video, we discussed why the nationalists, liberals, and radicals wanted revolution. Hope you all understood. Stay safe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.